Alright guys, we're back. I was going to use my Milwaukee ratchet, electric ratchet, and see if I can get this light housing off, and we'll go from there. Let's see. That's good. Alright, that's good. Now, we got this off. I should take and clean this up. This is nasty. But anyhow, now we need to find out where this goes. And I'm going to try to get a little bit lower. It's kind of hard for me. Oh, I got bad knees. All right. Now, let's see. I will need to get my clippers and clip that wire tie. All right, I got that done. All right, that's this set of wires. Okay. Now, gotta find where it comes into. And it hooks up right there. All right. I'm assuming that them unplug. I assume they unplug, so I'm going to attempt to unplug them. The new one has got male connectors on the end of it. So it's black and brown wires. Yeah, you can see that. So I want to attempt to see if I can get these unplugged. There's another view from the back of it. But anyway, I want to attempt this, and there we are. Let's see if I can get this done. I can't hold the camera and pull them apart too, so you're just gonna have to be patient with me.